the 4th.
Widespread thunderstorms right now across northwestern Wisconsin. For the most part, will stay well to our north tonight. They'll be here tomorrow. Your forecast is next.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
It is hard to believe, and Nina wants no part of it, but we are now halfway through meteorological summer here in Northeast Wisconsin. That's right, as far as weather record's concerned, we have reached the heart of summer, July 15th. So how are we doing? Well, we've had 2 tornadoes so far. Both were in Shawano County, both were EF0s, and both were actually in spring during April 28th. Our hottest temperatures so far this summer, 94 degrees. Set back on June 22nd. No 90s today, but we came close in a few spots. Currently, it's 89 in Penbine. We've got 88 in Mountain, 88 in Shawano. It is 88 in Watoma. In Clintonville, we're looking at 86 degrees. It's also 86 in Appleton with a dew point of 70. It's mostly sunny in Green Bay and 84 with south winds gusting up to around 20 miles per hour. So it was a warm to very warm and breezy day across northeast Wisconsin. The weather has been quiet, but you can see thunderstorms off to the north and west here from north central Minnesota across northern Wisconsin into the UP, and that's where we have a severe thunderstorm watch this evening and 1 severe thunderstorm warning north and west of Rice Lake. And where that watch is right now is really where the best chance for seeing severe weather will be over the next, let's say, 3 to 6 hours. There is a marginal threat here across northern Langlade County and northern Marinette County, but based on the latest high-risk future radar, more than likely those thunderstorms will fall apart as they drop into those counties later on tonight. The satellite shows mostly sunny skies across the state. We've got a strong cold front off to the north and west. South and east of it today, temperatures were in the 80s and 90s. North of it, only in the 60s, and that cold front is headed our way. It's going to move through during the afternoon. We're going to climb up into the mid-80s by the late morning or early afternoon. Then the cold front drops in from the north. It kicks off showers and thunderstorms, and then temperatures will drop behind it. Skycast shows mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. A chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. We'll see clouds mixing with some sunshine into the very early afternoon, and then it looks like thunderstorms will roll across the area during the late afternoon and early evening. And there is a pretty good chance for at least some severe weather across most of the viewing area. We have a slight risk for just about all of northeast Wisconsin, and with that slight risk, we could be looking at least the potential for a tornado, some hail, and also wind damage, so I'll be watching it closely. Tonight, warm and muggy, lows around 70. Tomorrow, PM thunderstorms after clouds and sunshine and maybe a shower early. High temperatures will be in the 80s, but dropping as a gusty northerly wind develops behind that cold front by the afternoon or early evening. Maybe a lingering shower Thursday morning, cooler both Thursday and Friday, highs only to 70s before we warm into the lower 80s as we head through this upcoming weekend. All right, my 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 84. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Golden House. And unfortunately, we have not done that so far today. I went 89. The high so far has only been 85, but right now we're sitting at 87. At NBC 26, only about a mile away from the official thermometer, and you can see most locations today did verify with the 3-degree guarantee. And today we donated a check worth $3,700 to our friends at Dortran in Sturgeon Bay, our previous 3-degree guarantee partner. Dortran is a nonprofit transportation service for people in Door County. It's based on household income ranging from 10 cents to 40 cents per mile.
It was awesome. I felt like a star. I felt like Cameron Moreland, of course, because a lot of people on the street were like, hey, I saw you on TV. Oh, I saw you. That was great. That was great information. So for a little community like ours, serving all of the peninsula, it was great exposure for us.
Dortran is run by volunteers, and they're always looking for more. If you're interested in being a volunteer driver, just visit dortran.org.